Experience a moment of pure renewal as this powerful hair mask transforms dull, frizzy strands into silky confidence. Every application feels like giving your hair a fresh beginning, reviving strength, restoring smoothness, and breathing life into dry ends craving real care. Its bond-repairing comfort traps each strand in a feeling of luxury, making you fall in love with the mirror again. Let your hair speak softness, shine, and pride with every movement, turning an ordinary day into something beautifully unforgettable. Number 1. PURC Hair Mask Disulfide Bond Repair Frizz Dry. The PURC Hair Mask Disulfide Bond Repair Frizz Dry Damaged prevents breakage, hair loss. Smooth Keratin Hair Treatment Masks Care 100 gram brings a feeling of comfort to hair that has lost its natural strength. Each use gives tired strands a gentle touch that feels healing, helping the hair regain softness that once felt impossible. People with dry or stressed hair often search for something that brings calm, and this treatment creates that sense of relief. Its caring formula supports smoother texture, giving the hair a renewed look that inspires confidence during daily moments. When hair feels manageable, life feels easier, and this mask helps create that balance. Many individuals want hair that looks graceful and healthy without heavy effort, and this treatment supports that desire with steady nourishment. With regular use, the hair appears more alive, allowing a person to enjoy a softer, fresher presence that feels naturally beautiful from morning to evening. Number 2. Brazilian Keratins Hair Mask Smoothing Dry Hair. The Brazilian Keratins Hair Mask Smoothing Dry Hair Deep Nourishing Hair Care Oil Deep Repair Dry Damage Hair Conditioner Hair Care brings a comforting touch to hair that feels worn out from daily stress. Its rich texture surrounds every strand with the sense of renewal, giving dry lengths the care they have been craving. People who struggle with rough or fragile hair often long for something that brings calm, and this treatment helps create that soothing experience. With steady nourishment, the hair begins to look fuller, smoother, and more lively, inspiring a renewed sense of confidence in personal appearance. The gentle conditioning effect supports a softer flow, allowing the hair to feel graceful during work, travel, or simple everyday moments. Many individuals want hair that looks naturally healthy without complicated routines, and this mask helps fulfill that desire through consistent care. With regular use, the hair gains a refreshed presence that feels elegant, vibrant, and beautifully restored. Number 3. Magical Keratin Hair Mask 5 Seconds Fast. The Magical Keratin Hair Mask 5 Seconds Fast Repairing Damaged Frizzy Hairs. Soft, smooth, shiny for permanent straightening hair care brings a deeply comforting feeling to hair that has lost its natural beauty. Dry strands often feel lifeless, and this treatment gives them a sense of renewal that feels almost immediate. People who struggle with rough texture or breakage often wish for something that brings calm, and this mask delivers that soothing touch. Each application creates a smoother flow, helping the hair look healthier and more balanced throughout daily moments. With regular care, the strands begin to appear more polished, allowing a person to feel proud of their look during work, celebrations, or quiet routines. Many individuals dream of hair that feels manageable without heavy effort, and this formula supports that desire with steady nourishment. Over time, the hair gains a refreshed presence that feels elegant, lively, and naturally radiant. Number 4. PURC Morocco Argan Oil and 8 Seconds Repairing Hair. The PURC Morocco Argan Oil and 8 Seconds Repairing Hair Mask Sets Smoothing Straightening Repair Damaged Keratin Treatment Hair Care brings a comforting sense of renewal to hair that feels dull, stressed, or worn from daily routines. Its nurturing touch helps tired strands find softness again, creating a feeling of calm for anyone who struggles with dryness or breakage. People often look for something that restores confidence in their appearance, and this treatment encourages that emotional shift by supporting smoother movement and a healthier look. With steady care, the hair begins to feel more balanced, allowing a person to enjoy a graceful flow during work, travel, or simple everyday moments. Many individuals dream of hair that looks naturally polished without complicated steps, and this formula helps meet that desire with gentle nourishment. Over time, the strands gain a refreshed presence that feels vibrant, silky, and beautifully restored, making self-care feel meaningful and reassuring. Number 5. Collagen Keratin Hair Care Mask Treatment. The Collagen Keratin Hair Care Mask Treatment dry damaged hair, revitalize hair, straighten soft, smooth, moisturize hair. Care products offers a comforting touch to hair that feels tired from constant styling and daily stress. Dry strands often lose their natural life, and this treatment brings a soothing sense of renewal that many people long for. Its caring texture surrounds each strand with gentle support, helping the hair regain a calmer, healthier appearance that feels uplifting. Individuals who struggle with roughness or dullness often seek something that restores confidence, and this mask helps create that emotional reassurance by encouraging smoother flow and a fresher look. With regular care, the hair begins to feel more balanced, allowing a person to enjoy a graceful presence during work, gatherings, or quiet moments at home. Many desire hair that behaves naturally without complicated routines, and this formula supports that wish through steady nourishment. Over time, the strands gain a revitalized, elegant, and beautifully renewed appearance.